talking about if you're stuck, there's lots of stuff to try. Look at my list of strategies. What could I try? I can't go to sines and cosines because I'm already in sines and cosines. Not going to do a common denominator because there's no fractions, correct? So what else could I try? I could, in this case, pull out, right? Everyone see that? See I have two terms? What do they have in common? A sign. So I'm going to pull out a sign. What's left? Sine squared.
Plus cosine squared.
Oh, the alarm should be going off in your head. Ah, should be ringing so loud you can't even hear. That does equal 1. That's your biggie. That's your star. Right? That is the unit circle. That's the biggie. Like I said, if you know these, it's going to make your life a lot easier. This equals 1. And you have to show that you made that substitution. So there's another strategy there. Make a substitution. Which just equals sine x. They're not all going to get down to nice, neat, little sine, cosine. That's why I said it's hard for people to know when to stop, when to keep going if they're not nice and neat. But here, if you were stuck, you could have, of course, pulled out, looked at your list. You could have tried making a substitution. For instance, cosine squared, that equals 1 minus sine squared, correct? You could have tried plugging that in and do some distributing, like terms and all that stuff, which would have gotten you there as well. So let me show you there's alternative ways. So if I did that, sine cubed x plus sine x, let's say I did plug in 1 minus sine squared for that. Yes, no, distribute. I would have gotten sine cubed x plus sine x minus sine cubed x, which, gives me sine x. There's more than one way to usually go about these problems. So there's definitely stuff to try if you're stuck. Questions? This is hard at first. Me doing it's not